Here's a quick update. Midday at this 16 resistance at the open. Overnight high had been up around the 15 zone. We thought that would be our resistance. See if we could get perhaps the 10-minute chart in play. Come down and test the 05, 04 region, 02 support. And we thought maybe get some good fortune if we could get a bounce and take maybe one more shot at short. Not thinking anything too big, just either a W or a V-type bounce. We've got a V right back up into the resistance zone, which we've got at 12.5 and 6.25. Today's angel. So anything back into below 8s, we thought good fortune below. Had a couple of probes back into that 6 to 7 area, and we think that's the natural zone that needs to hold for the longs. Currently have that 11 area, 1075, 2-day middle as the potential resistance zone. That's the demon for now. 6.25 is the angel, and then we've got a further demon back at 1375. That's the all-day demon that's not been tested yet. We'd like to see them both sides get tested in a two-way day. Risk and reward, we like on the short side this morning, try to target that 05 area, 04, and assumed support just below us here in this 3 to 2 area. Those are potential targets, but we chose to use those as support, thinking risk reward said let's try a bounce going back into the other end of the zone. So far, fairly neutral type day. And we like this 30-minute chart. Thought this would be a reasonable proxy for the market's range type trading for now. Primary magnet is 875. And so far, the longs have been trapped and held captive by that 12.5 zone. So, still got time today. This is the morning trade, primary trade we thought done by lunchtime. The high and low had been in for the morning. And if in fact you wanted one last short, give it one shot, but don't overdo it. Don't think that we're going to make a new low right now. Seems to be more of a range type trade. Because the overnight range had gone from high to low, we thought we could hit one bounce at the open and see if that would produce the results for testing that 05 area that really has not been tested this week. So we thought that was a logical test to go down and come back in and test that 05 zone. We noted in the NQ, 30-minute chart seemed to be on the money, supportive. Thought it was a goalpost pattern. We're coming out, once we got up above this high, seek to perhaps retest the highs. We like the idea of the 45 middle zone. Put an arrow here and said if we get a pullback, that should be probably bought today for another attempt at the high. So far that trade has worked, and I like this trade because you had stopping volume here. Got the shakeout and what we call shake and bake. Keeping an eye on the bigger picture with our Fibos and with our Bollinger Bands. Obviously we are looking for bounces into the middle, need to hold first time back, second time back, and we still need to see what type of pattern is being formed as the day wears on. This should be our primary zone of battle between, say, that 8 to 13 and resolve that area for further direction before the afternoon is over. We've advised traders to keep their profits, don't overtrade, and the goal is to make 4 points a day consistently. Hope that helps you see what we're looking at. Trade well.